So remember, to find the zeros of a function, we're just going to go ahead and put that in for our y equals. So to this one, we've got y equals x cubed minus 3x minus 5. Let me look at that graph. I'm going to change my window. Or not. Okay. Try that again. There we go. All right, so here's our graph. We want to find the zero. All we have to do is go to second trace and 0 is the second option. So it asks us for a left bound. That just means a point to the left of the 0. So we know the 0 is here between like 2 and 3. So we can actually just type in 2 for the left bound and hit enter. And then the right bound is 3. I mean, we can put anything to the right of it, but 3 is closest, and hit enter. And then it asks to guess, hit enter one more time, and that gives us our 0. So 2.279. The one thing that we can do with this, and I don't think it's in anything later, is actually store this value. We can store this value and use it. We did this before with just, answers that we got in our calculator, we stored it. But if you go ahead and hit second quit, so you go back to the regular window and hit stow, we can stow that for X or A or B or whatever. The big thing that you would use this for is like for A and B on a definite integral number of times, like when they intersect, you could use the whole thing. So now that 2.279, that whole decimal is stored in for X. So we could use that in other parts of our problem if we need to. All right, so for that, again, it was second trace and 0. And then we hit second quit and we could store the answer.